Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type your task manager. From the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task. Then we need to select browse button, select this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, and then open System32 folder. In the System32 folder, we need to find out cmd file. Just scroll down and you will get the file named cmd.exe. So just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This is very important. This will create the task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close the background windows and we need to focus on the command prompt window only. So type the commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in reagent c space / enable and hit enter. So the operation successful. Now we need to move to the next command, that will be reagent space / info and hit enter. Again this one also completed. Now type exit and hit enter. Now we need to simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.